Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be recreating this look right here. I found this on Pinterest, so I don't know the creator. If you know them, please tag them down below. And for this look, I'm going to be using these confetti heart thingies from Amazon and some lash glue. This is House of Lashes lash adhesive. So for this look, I really used the reference photo for guidance on how I wanted to place these hearts. So using the lash glue, I'm just making dots all over the face and I'm just pressing those confettis on, putting some on my nose, on my chin, and making sure to alternate which sides and if they're upright or down to the side, whatever. Um, just do it however you like, but I followed the photo. Then going in with the lip to finish off this quick look. This is Amore, I believe, by Milani. I haven't actually used a colored lipstick, like real lipstick, in so long, so this is so interesting to like line my lips and stuff because I don't have any lip liners this color. And that's about it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and hope it was easy enough to follow along if you want to do something really artsy and cute for Valentine's Day. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.